Welcome to Money Mindset. Today, we're diving into the top 5 side hustles that pay well in 2024. Whether you're looking to earn extra cash or build a sustainable income stream, these side hustles can help you achieve your financial goals. If you're ready to discover new opportunities, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips. In 2024, the opportunities for side hustles have never been more diverse, offering people a chance to earn extra income in ways that fit their skills, schedule, and interests. Whether you're looking to supplement your full-time job, pay off debt, or fund a specific goal, the following top 5 side hustles provide excellent earning potential, flexible work schedules, and the opportunity to scale over time. 1. Freelance digital services. Freelancing has evolved into one of the most profitable side hustles, especially for individuals with digital skills. From writing and graphic design to web development and video editing, freelancers are in high demand. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect skilled professionals with clients from all over the world, making it easier to find projects that match your expertise. Digital services, such as creating content for websites, social media management, or even SEO consulting, offer not only competitive hourly rates, but also the freedom to choose your own projects and work from anywhere. For example, a freelance web developer can charge anywhere from $30 to $150 per hour, while social media managers or graphic designers might earn $25 to $100 per hour, depending on their skill level and the complexity of the project. Freelancers have the potential to scale their business, build long-term client relationships, and significantly increase their income as they gain more experience and a strong reputation in the field. 2. E-commerce and dropshipping. E-commerce remains one of the most lucrative side hustles in 2024, with dropshipping leading the way as an accessible option for those looking to start an online business. Unlike traditional retail models, dropshipping allows you to sell products without the need to invest in inventory. You partner with suppliers who fulfill orders on your behalf, enabling you to focus on marketing and customer service. This model is especially appealing for individuals with limited upfront capital. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy make it easy to set up an online store, while digital marketing techniques such as social media advertising and search engine optimization (SEO) help drive traffic to your site. With the right niche and effective marketing strategies, dropshipping entrepreneurs can earn anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 or more per month. The potential to scale this side hustle is significant, particularly if you identify trending products or cater to a specific market segment. 3. Online tutoring and coaching. With online education becoming more popular, tutoring and coaching have become highly profitable side hustles in 2024. If you have expertise in a particular subject or field, you can monetize your knowledge by offering personalized tutoring sessions. Subjects like math, science, foreign languages, and test prep, such as SAT or GRE, are in high demand. But there is also a growing market for coaching in areas like personal development, career growth, fitness, and nutrition. As an online tutor, you can charge between $20 and $100 per hour, depending on the subject and your level of expertise. Specialized coaches, such as life coaches or business mentors, can earn even more, with rates ranging from $50 to $500 per session, depending on the niche and demand. Platforms like Chegg Tutors, VebPKid for teaching English, and Skillshare allow you to connect with students or clients looking for personalized learning experiences. This side hustle offers flexibility and can be done remotely, making it a great option for those who enjoy teaching and helping others achieve their goals. 4. Real estate investment, short-term rentals, and crowdfunding. Real estate has always been a reliable source of income, and in 2024, it remains one of the best ways to build wealth through passive income. However, you don't need to be a property mogul to get started. With the rise of platforms like Airbnb, people can rent out their homes or spare rooms to travelers, generating substantial income with minimal effort. In high-demand areas, property owners can earn thousands of dollars per month by offering short-term rentals. For those without large sums of capital, real estate crowdfunding offers an accessible alternative. Websites like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow individuals to invest in commercial or residential real estate projects with as little as $500. These platforms pool funds from multiple investors to finance large-scale projects, and investors earn returns through rental income or property appreciation. While it may take time to see significant returns, real estate investments can provide steady, long-term income and are a great way to diversify your income streams. 5. Social media management and content creation. As social media continues to dominate the marketing landscape, the demand for social media managers and content creators has skyrocketed. Businesses of all sizes need experts to help them build their online presence, engage with their audience, and create compelling content. If you have experience managing platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or TikTok, you can offer your services to companies looking to enhance their brand visibility. Social media managers typically charge between $500 and $5,000 per month, depending on the scope of the work and the size of the client's business. Content creators, especially those who can produce high-quality videos, blog posts, or photography, can also earn significant income by collaborating with brands for sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or product placements. YouTube creators, for example, can earn anywhere from a few $100s to tens of thousands per month, depending on the size of their audience and the brand deals they secure. This side hustle is perfect for individuals who are social media savvy, creative, and passionate about digital marketing. With a growing demand for online content, social media management and content creation provide the opportunity to turn your passion for social media into a profitable business. Side hustles in 2024 offer an excellent opportunity to increase your income, whether you're looking for a flexible part-time job or aiming to build a scalable business. The key to success in any side hustle is consistency, dedication, and strategic planning. By choosing a side hustle that aligns with your skills and goals, you can create a sustainable income stream that helps you achieve financial independence. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.